Hey, this is Rama from Creations Landscape Designs and the Earthly Landscapes blog. So I'm here at a project in the city of Orange, designed and installed by the plant nerd for the Municipal Water District of Orange County Turf Rebate program. And I wanted to show you what this garden looks like because one thing I want to start showing you is designs and installs done by other gardeners and contractors as opposed to just me. But before I do that, I make videos about drought tolerant plants, California native plants, sustainability, and anything and everything in between. So if you'd like to get more of that content in your feed, then hit the red subscribe button. Alright, let's do this. So the premise of this project was to kill the lawn and replace it with drought tolerant plant material, and in this case a dry riverbed. So in the parkway, what is planted, I believe, is a gazania. Where are you? And it will eventually fill in the parkway rather nicely. There is a bit of clover that has creeped up, but par for the course, to be expected, a little bit here and there. The idea is that with the flagstone you get a path that leads up to the existing path that for budget reasons was left alone. And so the premise with this sustainability feature, which is a dry riverbed, is you get the water coming from the gutter flowing here, and then it is a walkable dry riverbed, so you can walk on it. And then on the other side, there's also a gutter where the dry riverbed kind of is now U-shaped. We have got some autumn sage here. Some rosemary. Some deer grass. Some yarrow. Mixture of native and non-native plant material. In this area there's also a bit of a berm, which is a slight mound. But the water from this side feeds in from the gutter.